Hello, I'm the 10-minute English teacher. Let's get you exam ready. Today we're thinking about The Tempest by William Shakespeare, and I'm providing you with a guide to characters, part 1. Before we get going, don't forget to like and subscribe. There are plenty of things on the channel to help you understand the play. Okay, my guide to characters, part 1. Now, The Tempest takes place on an enchanted island. A ship is wrecked offshore and the people on board end up on that island. Today, we're thinking about the people who are on the island already to begin with. Those are these 4 key characters. The first character that we're going to introduce today to you is Prospero. Prospero was the Duke of Milan, but became more interested in his studies. This is many years before arriving on the island. The study of magic and sorcery was what he was studying. He gave his brother, Antonio, responsibility for Milan and was betrayed by him and Alonso, the King of Naples. Together, they cast Prospero and his daughter Miranda adrift on a tiny boat, and they ended up shipwrecked on an island. Prospero has power over the island and is the only human his daughter has known in her lifetime, with only the supernatural inhabitants of the island known to her. Some say Shakespeare may have based Prospero on himself at the time, an old wizard with fading powers. This is one of Shakespeare's later plays, and perhaps he felt that he wasn't getting the recognition that he deserved at that time in his life and career. Miranda is Prospero's daughter. Miranda cannot remember the life of privilege she lived in Milan before being stranded on the island as an infant. The only human interaction she's had in her lifetime has been with her father, yet she is very different to him. Miranda is compassionate and loving and doesn't share her father's cynical view of others, providing a contrast. We have also on the island, before the others arrive after the shipwreck, somebody called Ariel. Ariel was a magic sprite who was trapped for 12 years in a tree by a witch called Sycorax. Ariel refused to serve her and was trapped in a tree by her. After being released by Prospero's magic, Ariel lives a life of servitude. Whilst Ariel is loyal to Prospero, he desperately longs for his freedom. Ariel's slavery taints our view of Prospero somewhat. He's loyal victim, Ariel deserving of his independence. And in the relationship between Prospero and Ariel, the tradition of helper frustrated by a magician is reflected. We've also got somebody called Caliban living on the island. He is the son of the witch called Sycorax, who has previously died. We don't meet Sycorax in the play, but that's Caliban's mother. Following her death, Prospero teaches Caliban to speak and read. However, Caliban becomes frustrated and feels the island is by right his. He doesn't feel that Prospero and Miranda should be there at all. It is his homeland. After trying to force himself upon Miranda, Caliban is enslaved by Prospero. Now, some people see Caliban as a symbol for the oppressed or as a victim of colonialisation and civilization. He's half human, half monster. Caliban can be viewed in different ways and is a complex character. He's monstrous and is a threat to Miranda, yet he's enslaved by someone who shouldn't really be on the island in the first place. Now, if you want to take it further, there is a worksheet with these 4 key characters, Prospero, Miranda, Ariel and Caliban, and you can write down who they are, and you can also write down any interesting things from what you've learned from hearing from me in that worksheet. All you need to do to get that, if you're wanting to make some notes or if you're a teacher wanting to set this as a task for your students, is click the link in the description. If you're a subscriber, you have a Google account, click that link and you'll be able to get access to a free worksheet, and all you need to do is make a copy. Check out the other videos on my channel. I'll continue to add content. Feel free to ask something you'd like to see me cover in the comment section. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share, and keep revising.